Imagine a world where clean, reliable energy is produced by reactors no bigger than a shipping container. Welcome to the revolution of tiny nuclear reactors. Tiny nuclear reactors, also known as small modular reactors, SMRs, are compact, scalable nuclear power plants. Unlike traditional reactors, which are massive and expensive, SMRs are designed to be safer, cheaper, and easier to deploy. These reactors could revolutionize energy access. They're perfect for remote communities, industrial sites, and even disaster relief. Plus, they produce zero carbon emissions, making them a powerful tool in the fight against climate change. SMRs use nuclear fission, just like traditional reactors, but with advanced designs that make them inherently safer. Many use passive cooling systems, meaning they don't require external power to shut down safely in an emergency. But it's not all smooth sailing. Critics worry about nuclear waste, high upfront costs, and public perception. Still, many believe the benefits far outweigh the risks.